team in immigration happening right now on Kababayan, LA. Attorney Allison Aquino and Attorney Richard Lowe, both from Aquino and Lowe Law Firm, they're answering your questions. If you have any questions to us, our phone lines are also open, so do call us. Our first caller for today is Alan, joining us on the phone. Hi, Alan. You're live on Kababayan, LA. Hello? Are you there? Maybe not. Okay, Carmen is on the line. Hi, Carmen. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, magandang hapon po.
Hi, this is Carmen Santos.
Yes, go ahead with your question.
Bruce, I have a question. I was married before and he died. And I submitted the papers to the immigration and they denied me. So, and then I asked an attorney to help me and submitted it to be reopened. But until now, I haven't received any response.
Okay, stay on the line. They may have follow-up questions for you. Go ahead, Richard.
Well, I think what she's talking about is the Orphans and Widowers Act, where we're trying to help people who were married to U.S. citizens but weren't married for 2 years, and so you're trying to close that gap. So you have until October 28th of this year in order to file a petition to reopen a case that may have been denied previously.
Oh, okay. You can do that.
Yes, because previously you had to have been married for 2 years before you could take advantage of self-petitioning, and now they've changed that law so that you can go ahead and do that even though you haven't been married for 2 years. But those people who were previously denied have to file a petition, have to refile, do a motion to reopen, or refile the petition.
And it's only until October 28th of this year.
Correct.
Now, she's saying that they filed it and then nothing's going on. So how long is the wait period, the normal wait period for this?
Well, although we like to have instantaneous responses to our questions, especially when we have, something as pressing as this going on, it does take the government a little while to hash through these things. And I think an expectation of 90 days to even 120, 3-4 months to get something, response is certainly within what you should expect. So I don't think you want to say I filed it last week and where's my papers?
Of course, yeah.
So you have to be a little bit patient. It sounds like she's got an attorney working on it. And so that person should be doing follow-ups and making sure that the process is going as it should.
And as attorneys, you are also able to follow up, correct?
Absolutely. And for Carmen's sake, certainly if she had a prior application, she can go ahead and seek the reopening. But if she's tired of waiting, perhaps it might even be wiser for her to just refile a brand new application.
Okay.
There are some advantages to doing the reopening, especially if there were children involved. But if there were no children involved, then it might just be wiser for her to file a brand new application.
That's why it's also important that you pick a good lawyer, one that will take care of you, one that will remain on top of your situation, so you're not left, hanging and waiting. So, Carmen, I hope that answers your question, and good luck to you. Another caller is on the line joining us today. Magandang hapon. You're live on Kababayan, LA. Hello? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, magandang hapon po. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Tessie.
Yes, go ahead with
I have a question to Aquino and Luz offices.
Sige po, go ahead.
Yung mga kapatid ko, yung pamilya nila, pinitisyon ng father ko. Yung father ko is already like 98 years old right now, and he's in the Philippines, and my brothers and sisters and the family are in the Philippines too. But the question is, na-approve na yung petition nila, tapos sabi na yung mga papilis nila, yung father ko pwede ba magstay sa Pilipinas, or he has to be here in the U.S. For the processing of the papers?
Okay.
Well, while you're waiting for the priority date to become current, it's fine for the petitioner to remain in the Philippines.
Okay.
Eventually,
it's current. The petition is current already.
Okay. While you're processing the applications with the National Visa Center and then the U.S. Embassy, it's okay for the petitioner to remain in the Philippines. However, in order for the immigrant visas to be granted, you must be able to represent to the U.S. Embassy that the petitioner will in fact enter the United States no later than when the beneficiaries enter the U.S.
And that might be tough for him, because or for them, because if she's saying that the father's already 90 years old, traveling to the Philippines and then traveling back, that might be a little tricky. We'll have more of your questions when we return on the show. Keep calling. Don't go away.